Hi class, in this video I'm going to do the rest of the models, or the rest of the structures you need to know. One thing I forgot to mention on the tooth is the cementum, so it's the very outside here. It's calcified connective tissue on the outside of the root of the tooth, so I just wanted to show you that. Okay, now let's go to the rest. So this here is the gallbladder, so it's right underneath the liver. So let's go through the lobes of the liver. So this here is the right lobe, because anatomical right. Left lobe, this here is a falciform ligament. Okay, this area right here would be the round ligament. And then we have our quadrate lobe and our caudate lobe here. Okay, so I wanted to go through that. Okay, let's see what else. Liver, we went through the lobes. This in purple here would be the hepatic portal vein. Okay, all right, so now let's do the ducts. So this here would be the right and left hepatic duct. Those go into the common hepatic duct. This here is the cystic duct coming from the gallbladder. Okay, so then the common hepatic and the cystic duct go into the common bile duct. So this here is common bile duct. Okay, and then that flows in here. Okay, and then it meets with the pancreatic duct and empties into the small intestine. Okay, and remember this area here is the ampulla of Vater. Okay, so we went through that in the last one. Okay, these other structures you need to know in the liver you can see under the microscope. Okay. So small intestine, we have the duodenum, that's the first part of the small intestine, then jejunum, and then the last part would be, down here is the ileum. Okay. Villi we saw in the last video when I went through the layers, like the mucosa, so you saw that in the mucosal layer. Circular folds. Okay. So within here you see these little folds within the small intestine. Those are the circular folds, and those increase the surface area for greater absorbance of nutrients. So here you can see them as well. Okay, so those are circular folds. Large intestine. So the ileocecal valve would be right here. So it's where the ileum enters into, this here is the cecum of the large intestine. This here is the appendix. Okay. So let's go through the different parts of the large intestine. So this here would be the ascending colon, transverse. Okay, and this would be the right colic or right hepatic flexure. This would be the left colic or left splenic flexure. Okay, this is the descending colon. Sigmoid colon is where it makes like this S here. Okay, sigmoid colon. Then we have the anal canal, anus. Okay, and then you could see the internal and external anal sphincters in this model as well. Okay, the haustrum are the little bulbs here, and then the taenia coli is this tissue, and it comes all the way across on the large intestine. Okay, I'm just trying to see if there's anything else that I missed that you need to know. Okay, I think that's about it.